Hello students, welcome to standard 9th subject mathematics chapter 3 coordinate geometry. This is lecture number 2 now. So after understanding about the coordinate geometry discovered or developed or initiated by René Descartes, and some examples also in exercise 3.1 we have seen that how to locate any object or any point in the plane. So the method which we have applied in locating the point or any object is we were using two lines there, right, perpendicular to each other, and this using the not only one number line, two number lines we were using. So we have defined here the Cartesian systems having that two lines. In this, combine the two number lines in such a way that two lines perpendicular to each other and cross at their zeros or origins. So here we have shown one number line as x dash, the other number line as y dash. They are intersecting each other at origin O, and they are perpendicular to each other. That way we have to combine the two number lines. So this is called Cartesian system now. And in this, the horizontal line x dash x is called the x-axis. This you will see as x-axis. And vertical line y dash is called y-axis. Right? The intersection point of x-axis and y-axis is called the origin. This x-axis and this y-axis intersection, this point is called origin, denoted by O, capital O. The axis, that is the plural of axis, means x-axis and y-axis divides the plane into four quadrants. Because x-axis and y-axis intersecting each other at the point O, the whole plane is divided into four quadrants. This is the quadrant 1, this is quadrant 2, this is quadrant 3, this is quadrant 4. So four quadrants are formed. That way it is not in quadrants 1, 2, 3, 4. Precisely, if we say interior regions of angle XOY, angle XOY, this interior of this angle XOY is called quadrant 1. This region YOX dash, angle YOX dash, interior regions denoting quadrant 2. This region is X dash OY dash, interior of the angle X dash OY dash represents the quadrant 3. And this region, in which interior region of angle XOY dash represents quadrant number 4. So understanding this is the Cartesian system. In that, how to locate the coordinates, that we will see the rules. We write the coordinate of a point using the following convention. If you are locating a point in a plane, so how you will write its coordinates? For that, the conventional rules we have. The x coordinate of a point is its perpendicular distance from the y-axis measured along x-axis. X coordinate we will write measuring the distance from the y-axis, how much distance from the y-axis, and to measure it we will go along x-axis. The x coordinate is also called the abscissa. X coordinate we can say as abscissa also. Similarly, the y coordinate next we will write, and it will be the point is its perpendicular distance from x-axis measured along y-axis. When we write the y coordinate, it will show the distance from the x-axis, and we have to measure it along y-axis, right? The y coordinate is also called ordinate. Like x-axis, x coordinate is called abscissa, y coordinate is called ordinate. Third rule, in starting the coordinates in the coordinate plane, when you are going to write about the coordinates, the x coordinate comes first. You will write first x coordinate, and then you will write the y coordinate, and we place the coordinates in bracket. We will place the bracket in that x coordinate and comma y coordinate. These are the rules we have seen, and how to use in the practical example we will see. In exercise directly we go. In exercise 3.2, the question 1 is, what is the name of horizontal line and what is the name of vertical line in that Cartesian coordinate system? So you know that the name of horizontal line is name of horizontal line is called x-axis. So the name of horizontal line is x-axis and the vertical line is y-axis. Name of vertical line is y-axis. Directly the answer I have written here. The question you can refer from the textbook. In that it was that what is the give the name of horizontal line and vertical line. So horizontal lines name we give as x-axis and vertical lines name as we give as y-axis. Now second question is, what is the name of each part of the plane formed by these lines? If the lines are horizontal drawn and vertical drawn, the four parts of the plane is made, and what is the name of this? So we know that each part of the plane formed by these lines is called quadrant. You know that axis that divides the plane into four quadrants. They are 1, 2, 3, 4. That. So the name of each part, that is a quadrant, and it is named as quadrant. The third question was, what is the name of the intersection of these lines? So the name of intersection of the two lines is called origin. That also we have seen here in the yes. The intersection point of horizontal line is x-axis, vertical line is y-axis. So intersection point is called origin. So the third answer will be origin, right? So this were first three answers of question number 1 we have given. Then question number 2 we are having, and for that we have to refer the graph given in the textbook in the question. The graph is this way given. Here x-axis is given, y is given, point B is given here, D is given here, L is given here, M is given here, H is given this way, E, C, G. Total 8 points are given. And we are asked some questions, 8 questions here. So first question is the coordinate of B. The coordinate of B, how to write? These are the rules we have. We have to write first the x coordinate, and x coordinate is the perpendicular distance from y-axis. For B, this point is B. What is the perpendicular distance from y-axis? Y-axis is this. What is the perpendicular distance from here, y-axis to B point? With this distance we have to see. This distance is from y-axis, and you have to measure along x-axis. Along x-axis you go. This is -5. So this -5 will be its first x coordinate of B. And how to write y coordinate now? Y coordinate of a point that is B is the perpendicular distance from x-axis. This B point, how much perpendicular distance from x-axis? This is the perpendicular distance from x-axis to the point B. And we have to measure along y-axis. Along y-axis you measure this 0 to 2. That is 2. So 2. So -5 and 2 are the coordinates of B. So what will be the answer of coordinate of B? -5, 2. Similarly, coordinates of C. C point is here. For getting the x coordinate, what do you do? The perpendicular distance from y-axis is this way we have to measure. From y-axis this way, the perpendicular distance along x-axis is 5. So write here 5, comma. Y coordinate is perpendicular distance from x-axis. At x-axis, this is this way the distance from x-axis. Along y-axis it is 0 to -5. So it is -5. So 5 minus 5 is the coordinate of point C. 5 minus 5. The answer of second number question. Now the question is, third is the point with the coordinates -3 and -5. What is the name of this point? -3, -5. So first is x coordinate. So along x-axis we will go -3 here, and then -5 on y-axis along -5 is here. So this point E is having -3 and -5 points. So this point name will be E. Then similarly the point with the coordinates 2, -4. Here you see what is 2, -4. 2 is x coordinate. Go along x-axis 2, and then -4 on y-axis here. This is the G point. So this 2, -4 is the point representing as G point. Then abscissa of the point D. D is here. Its coordinates are, you will see, along x-axis 6 and along y-axis 2. So it is 6, 2, 6, 2. So abscissa means x coordinate. X coordinate is called abscissa. This x coordinate is 6. So its abscissa is 6. So the abscissa point is 6. Then ordinate of h. For h, here the coordinates are, first you write it. So along x-axis it is -5. Along y-axis it is -3. And ordinate means it is y coordinate. See, y coordinate is called ordinate. So y coordinate is on second number because y coordinate comes on second, x coordinate comes on first. So second number is showing y coordinate and it is also called ordinate. So ordinate of h is -3. Is -3. Similarly, coordinate of L. Coordinate of L is, you have to see here, along x-axis no distance is there, so 0, and along y-axis 5 is there, so 0, 5. So the coordinate of L point is 0, 5. Coordinate of the L is 0, 5. And the last question, coordinate of M we want. Coordinate of M. M coordinates are, along x-axis it is -3 and along y-axis it is no distance from the x-axis, so it is 0. So -3, 0 is M. It is -3, 0. So this way all the 8 answers we have given in question number 2, and with the help of the given Cartesian system, and that is called graph also, and the figure we can say in common. So this way the rules we have seen in Cartesian coordinate system, and we have seen how it is useful in locating the point and to identify the point and how to write the coordinates of the points in exercise 3.2. So this is, you are suggested to write it at least 2 times and see the video again and again. You will be confident in understanding this concept. And then your homework is, you have to see the example number 1 and 2. Write down this also. Example 1 and 2. In that also see this type of figure is given and about the coordinates, about the point, and some questions are given this way, and you will be able to answer it. So you are suggested to do the homework example 1 and 2 also. But once again I will tell you this, all the things, the theory we have written about how to write the coordinate and to understand the Cartesian system. You are advised to write it 2 times at least. And exercise also you do very carefully, you understand it and do it. It's very easy. And then yourself you complete the example 1 and 2. Don't see the answers printed in the textbook. You do it your own. So you will get the same as printed and you can verify that.